Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe leave a comment. Those really help with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product that I'm going to share with you is available on Amazon. So there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, and all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is a laptop stand by a company called Soundance. It is a nice, sturdy metal stand here that works with 10 to 15.6 inch laptops. So as you can see here, the stand itself, it has this nice rubber pieces which keep it from sliding when you put your laptop in. When it arrives, it's just going to come in a plain brown box. And then you open it up and you get the stand itself. So now the base down here also has some nice solid rubber pieces, which is going to once again keep it from sliding, which is important because you obviously don't want this tipping or sliding off a table or anything like that and damaging your laptop. Now the base is approximately 7.9 inches by 9.3 inches across. And then the pad itself here is 8.3 inches by 9.8 inches. And then the height, if you extend this all the way up, it goes up to 12 inches. Or if it's collapsed all the way down, it goes to 1.3 inches. And it can support up to 22 pounds. Now, it is very tight to move, which is good because it's got to maintain that firmness so that way it doesn't collapse on itself. So all the joints are nice and tight joints. So once you get it into position, it's not going to move on you. But I did want to sit there and point that out because it is tight to move. So if you have like a weak wrist or anything like that, that may be a little problematic, but it's kind of nice because it's not going to move and there's nothing to lock or anything like that that's going to basically get loose. But I want to kind of show you a laptop sitting here. So it just sits like so. And as you can see, it is nice and secure. And then if you're opening up your laptop, it's going to allow you to get a good, nice view when you are looking at the screen. So you can position it however you want. Another reason to use a laptop stand is when your laptop is sitting on a desk surface, that desk surface can get hot and make your computer hot. Where this, it has the openings here at the bottom, so you can see all the holes there, and that's going to let the fan breathe easier while using the laptop, which is really, really nice. So you just kind of need to set it up on your desk, basically where you want. And then usually when you're using a laptop stand, you're going to use a separate keyboard and mouse. But you don't have to. I guess you could be using your keyboard up like so. But overall, great little product here. I do recommend it. It's definitely heavy duty and sturdy if you are in the market for a laptop stand. Now, if there was something I didn't cover, feel free to hit me up in the comments section. I do typically respond to those. And like I said, check out the link in the description. That will take you to the product page. You can see the current price point and all that information. But that is it. So until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.